The question is, divide rupees 11,000 into two parts such that the simple interest on the first part for 3 years at 5% per annum is equal to the simple interest on the second part for 2 years at 9% per annum. Here the question is, the total amount given is 11,000. So we have to divide this into two parts such that interest in both the condition is same. So one is 5% 3 years, the other is 9% 2 years. So we have to find the investment made in this two parts. So here what will be the working? Total amount is 11,000 rupees. So in first if he invests X rupees, in the other he will invest 11,000 minus X. And we have to find the simple interest, and the condition given is both simple interest is equal. So finding simple interest on this X for 3 years at 5% and simple interest on this amount 11,000 minus X for 2 years 9%, we can solve and get this value of X. But instead of doing all this takes time. So they have given both the interest. I'll take interest 1 in this condition for 3 years at 5% and interest 2 which is at invested for 2 years at 9%. And I'll get the ratio of this investment and then divide this 11,000 accordingly. I'll assume in this interest 1, if he assumes X rupees, if he invests X rupees, in this part he is investing Y rupees. So if X is the investment, so what will be simple interest? P is X value, N is for 3 years for 5% by 100. And here if it is Y, if it is the investment for 2 years, 9%, 9 by 100. So as interests are equal, I have equated, I'll get the ratio of this investments. So 5x equal to 6y. So x by y equal to 6 by 5. So I have got the ratio of investment taking the condition that simple interest both are same. So x by y is 6 by 5. So this total 11,000 is divided into 6:5 ratio. So how many parts? Divide this by 6 plus 5, 11 parts. So what will be one part? It will be 1,000 rupees. Now what will be the investment in this first condition? 3 years 5%, it will be 6,000. And in the second condition 2 years 9%, it will be 5,000. So if one part is 1,000, so he has invested 6 parts in this first condition. So 6,000 and 5,000 are this investment. And now for this question, so you can get the ratio easily because they have given interest is same. Suppose if they give multiples, say one interest is double the other also, we can get the ratio of this investment and proceed. So friends, so this is simple, so this has a heavy working, but instead of going by this working part, taking this interest same, I have found the ratio of their investment for first and second condition, so which I got as 6:5, and this as total is given, divide by the sum of ratio 11, one part I have got as 1,000, and in this X he had invested, so X is 6,000, the first condition he has invested 6,000 rupees, and in the second he has invested 5,000 rupees. And now the answer is option C, rupees 6,000 and 5,000.